Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin pullback. Quick way to make up for this Bitcoin pullback is subscribe to the channel. I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box below for a chance to win $500 in Bitcoin. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period. Huge. This is a Bitcoin daily chart. We talked about this previously. Possibly Bitcoin's forming a falling wedge, essentially like this idea. What I want you to consider is sometimes you get a descending triangle first, and then when that breaks lower, 64% chance, you get this falling wedge, right? And so this is the idea that again, speculation at this point, right? These patterns kind of work this way. You get a descending triangle, 64% chance it breaks to the downside, and then you get a falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern at that point. And then you're looking for a move higher. Looking for the next swing high for Bitcoin, $67,000 to $70,000. Do not sweat these pullbacks. These are the opportunities we've been looking for. Posted this in my trading group yesterday. Bitcoin may have another drive lower in it. I mean, not anything too surprising. Looking for that bounce now. Let's see. So this is the idea kind of cleaned up and zoomed in 4-hour chart. I mean, potentially it would be bullish to get some type of double bottom reversal pattern here. Or this could be some type of rising wedge that's forming. And so these are the ideas that I'm contemplating, and I just want to see how this plays out. So Bitcoin ran up here. This is actually a small double top, broke to the downside, got confirmed. Potentially, this would be a short-term uptrend if this plays out. We'd get some good altcoin trading if this is the scenario that we're looking at and this plays out. Okay, but again, if Bitcoin puts in a lower high right here, it's still bearish. I mean, the bulls need to put in a high above the previous high, right, for continuation to the upside and to see these targets up here, 70,000, like we've been talking about. All right, break to the downside. I mean, you're looking for 41,000, possibly $40,000 Bitcoin. I mean, which would be ideal, which would be great. Buy the freaking dips, guys. Like, this is the biggest opportunity to get into these coins that you missed, that took off on you, right? These altcoins will bounce back. They're going to run strong. They're going to run hard. We're going to have an amazing altcoin spring and summer. Watch. Now, be smart about it. Be smart about it. Scale into your buys, right? Don't go all in. Don't start buying too early. You're buying, maybe 1,000 on the first buy, then double it 2,000, then double it 4,000, then double it 8,000. People are making a ton of money just buying dips. Like, that's one of my strategies right now. Like, shorter term trades or buying dips is ideal when Bitcoin's has a big sell-off like this, right? Because there's not really market structure that's been developed yet. And so you just kind of have to wait for the market to feel comfortable. The rest of the market participants will put money into these altcoins when they feel that Bitcoin is stabilized. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, I'm thinking about, man, how grateful I am to be able to share these ideas with you on a regular basis. Like, it changed my life financially forever, without question. And it's just great to see the same type of effects on you guys. I can't thank you guys enough for this opportunity. But this person, they stated, I am working on my second $1 million from crypto. I remember being broke and jobless. How could we have done it without you? This person stated. I'm just like floored. Like, this was just on my mind half the day today. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes right here, right in front of us right now. Right? Being able to buy fear and sell greed, counter trade our emotions, overcoming these obstacles that we do on a daily basis, just as far as the psychological aspect of trading this market. Amazing. This person said, CBC, if it wasn't for you, I would be broke. Talking about ERD last year. Cody, man, Cody's been amazing. This person joined the group with $30,000, ran it up to $210,000. He said, you have 6x my portfolio in 18 months for me. Huge. This person said, thank you for drilling it in my head. I've made more money today than any one day ever. I can't thank you enough. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So to my website, cryptorev.net. I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable altcoin setups for the entire bull run. This is Wabi. Wabi had 16% profits in 12 hours. Quick 16% pop. Boom. This is Cody. Listen, this thing has been amazing. I gave this to you guys previously. It's up 25% in one day. All this news out of Cody. This is going to be a strong coin. Like, when you're looking to accumulate coins on the pullbacks, I mean, look at all the news that's coming the end of February and March into June even, right? This is going to be massive upside here for Cody. I mean, you're looking for a 10x coin. This is one of them that will 10x from here. I mean, be smart about it. You got to get in on the, you don't want to buy the top, buy a pullback. Some more Cody news. Staking 3.0 opens. So again, they've got everything lined up here. This news is a great catalyst. Remember, Bitcoin price action trumps news, and most of the time, so don't get stuck on it. FTM, 43% profits, quick, in a day. You guys remember this? You should, because here's the YouTube video. Yesterday, 13,500 people saw this video. FTM USDT bull pennant. Boom, broke out 43% profits. I gave this to you yesterday, February the 24th. Subscribe to the channel. This is Bloomberg Crypto. This is huge. MicroStrategy is going to buy more Bitcoin after they just bought $1 billion in Bitcoin. If MicroStrategy is going to continue to buy the dip, you need to as well, period. Buy the dips that scare you. IOHK came out and said they're confirming Mary Cardano protocol update. It's fully confirmed for March the 1st, another key milestone here. So there's a lot of new use cases, native tokens, multi-asset support coming for Cardano. There's also Global Crypto Investment Fund, FD7 Ventures. They're going to sell $750 million worth of Bitcoin, but they're going to buy ADA and Polkadot. Listen, everybody's like speculating, is this why the dip happened? Listen, I see people get so caught up trying to figure out why the dips happen. Listen, news, you cannot trade news successfully for an extended period of time. Like, this is ADA. I gave this to you yesterday. Buy the breakout of this level. It did break out. So essentially, we just slide this up here, right? I mean, the best entry would potentially be a retest where it pulls back here and bounces, right? So you could buy the retest or buy the breakout of this level. All right, so ADA, BTC, tons of upside for ADA going forward. Orion Protocol. Talk to you about Orion. I got the setup for you today. They've got a mainnet launch in about a month, Remember, Orion is a DeFi project. It's the first and only decentralized gateway to the crypto market. You can access every centralized exchange and decentralized exchange and swap pool in one place. Lots of hype around ORN. This is ORN. So just to kind of update you on this setup, you've got this rising channel. Like there's a 68% chance under normal conditions that this breaks lower. But when these break higher, you get parabolic price action, right? So this is very Bitcoin dependent. But again, a break higher, you're buying the breakout. You could see $20 ORN before it's over with. Keep an eye on this one. They got news. They got mainnet launch. You're going to get a run up. Dogecoin. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is reportedly under SEC investigation over Dogecoin tweets. Is he pumping it? Elon says SEC probe of his tweets promoting Dogecoin would be awesome. People are saying, hey, there's a Dogecoin price alert. Dogecoin is going to drop based on Elon Musk SEC investigation rumor. Listen to me. The herd kind of gravitates to this type of news and who's tweeting this and that. And I'm sure it moves the markets. But remember, Dogecoin has been pumping crazy since I can remember. This is back here in 2013. Which, I mean, potentially versus Bitcoin, you had a bigger pump than the supposed Elon Musk pump, right? So, I mean, yeah, you could attribute some of this pump to Elon and just hype the internet, how it is now, you know, Twitter, whatnot. But, like, look at Dogecoin is like the alt season indicator. It pumps, it sells off, pumps, it sells off, pumps, it sells off, pumps, sells off, pumps, sells off, pumps. Sells off, it pumped. So it's normal to see this retrace, right? Dogecoin. Institutions are loading up on Bitcoin through Coinbase. So this pink line is the percentage of retail buyers. And you can see it's down considerably since 2018. Institutions are buying Bitcoin via Coinbase, tons of it. Ethereum, let's talk about this. So Ethereum needs a bounce here. Needs this to hold. Okay, I mean, again, you could be putting in the same type of descending triangle, which if it does break lower, then you get this falling wedge, right? So keep an eye on Ethereum. Like some type of short-term bounce here would be good, needed to avoid more downside. But then, again, putting in this lower high for Ethereum is bearish. I mean, for bullish and all-time highs, you know, you need to break above previous all-time high above 2,000. You know, I think we're going to 3,000 after this. Coin dominance. What you don't want to see here is a pump because altcoins will bleed. A lot of people are talking about this scenario. Someone shared this with me. February the 18th, 2020, you had this massive sell-off in the stock market. February 18th. Now, fast forward, 2021, February 18th. We actually, this is the S&P 500. S&P 500 had a good run up yesterday and then sold off today. People are talking like, hey, this brought Bitcoin down. There's a big sell-off. People are taking profits, right? You'll start to hear this tax season stuff, right? People have to pay their taxes. This is the total market cap of all the altcoins. Very healthy retracement. Like this was needed. Like these altcoins were overvalued. We talked about this the other day, but you can see altcoins lost. I mean, they're down from their highs about $200 billion, right? So the main thing is make sure and lock in profits on the way up. Like me, I'm taking, 10, 20% profits. And when everybody's super excited and everyone thinks freaking Bitcoin's going to the moon, I'm taking more profits out of this market, right? Counter trade the herd. 1 inch. So I gave you guys a setup. It did break out. It's up about 20%. I gave you guys this setup, remember? Buy the breakout of this level, and essentially it retraced with Bitcoin. But this is a BTC trading pair. So again, looking for upside out of 1 inch. You could see 100% gains out of this guy. Sushi hasn't broken out yet. Bull pennant. Rounded parabolic move to the upside. You're going to get another one. Sushi. I'm looking for $50 sushi. Let's go. BHZ, you guys remember this? Up 23% from this breakout, this bull pennant. Of course, Bitcoin pulled back and everything else did too. But you guys should remember this. I gave it to you yesterday. 23% gains in like 8 or 10 hours. 23% by the breakout of this bull pennant. 13,500 people saw this. Remember, these take profit levels are there for a reason. Other people are taking profits there. When the market is not amazing, take profits sooner. Trade with smaller amounts. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.